From mystical beings and outer space adventurers to heroes and K-pop idols, Montebello Villa Hotel's Cast a Spell Halloween Fest transported guests young and old into a galaxy of fun and fantasy on Sunday, October 26, 2025. Walking through the hotel grounds, guests were greeted by characters from various universes, from Star Wars and Transformers to iconic anime and cartoon favorites. Along with a show-stopping performance by the K-pop demon hunters, Huntrix, who electrified the crowd. Guests were invited to explore 6 immersive thematic attractions: The Way of the Jedi, Alien World of Pandora, Wonders of the Science Lab, Space Dome by PAGASA, Utopia New World of Robot, The Universe Far Away LED Light Room, plus 3 trick-or-treat stations. All concepts were fully created and brought to life by Montebello Villa Hotel's very own staff and employees.
They conceptualized everything, they set it up, they had their performance, Star Wars, as in from the scratch. They had it hand-painted, set up, topped with different suppliers to make it work, and of course the avatar. We were really cramming because it's raining, and then we were really worried that the avatar theme will not be visited, but surprisingly it turned out that we wanted it to be grabe good, the support from everyone.
Beyond the galactic attractions, families enjoyed outdoor food and family parks, with plenty of spots for parents to relax and an indoor inflatable playground where kids could let their energy soar. Guests of all ages had the chance to learn and play through hands-on activities such as DIY slime making, design your own treat bags, and face painting with UP Fab Lab's Art Jam. They also discovered more about planets, robots, and outer space at the science exhibit, and even trained like Jedis in Saberstorm's lightsaber combat workshop. To add to the experience, real-life amphibians and reptiles were on display, delighting and educating spectators. The day's most anticipated moment, the costume contest, unleashed everyone's inner heroes and creatures, as kids, teens, and adults walked the runway in their best galactic ensembles. The Bataluna family turned heads as heroes from Guardians of the Galaxy.
Actually, it is inspired in the movie Guardians of the Galaxy. As you can see, I am the Star-Lord,
Gamora,
and
of course our little Groot.
Their baby, Caleb Isaiah, last year's toddler category winner, made a triumphant return, this time with his family, bagging first place in both the toddler and adult categories.
Last year we also joined and we won. We had little mommy, and then now we're planning to have little Groot. So that's why we're also we joined here as a family.
Mother and daughter duo Aliana and Niana Armilia, returning for their second year at Cast a Spell, charmed the crowd as beloved anime icons Sailor Jupiter and Sailor Moon.
Aside, there's many attractions. We got to spend time together wearing our costumes because it, as part of our formative years, I think it's really worth remembering spending Halloween together.
Contest winners and runners-up received prizes from sponsors and partners, including a special overnight stay at the hotel. Running since 2016, Montebello Villa Hotel's Cast a Spell remains a Halloween favorite, bringing magic, wonder, and family fun to guests of all ages. Year after year, it continues to enchant the community as a beloved tradition in Cebu.
We would like the Casa Spell to be focused on the family activities. So the inspiration behind that, we would like our guests, either you have a family or not, you want it to be celebrated with your lolas, with everyone. So it's not only kids, but yeah, it's for the family side.
This has been Joanne Clarice Espinosa for My TV Cebu.